Today our topic is about loan in USA. Now we go to Google and search there loan in USA. So we found these websites. Now we read. If you have just visited the channel, then subscribe to channel. Also press the bell. The sixth best personal loans of January 2024. We rounded up our picks for top 6 personal loan lender offering some of the best APRs and no or low origination fees. Personal loans are the fastest growing debt category in the last decade. That's due in part to the rise of fintech and peer to peer lending companies, which make accessing these loans cheaper and easier than ever before. A form of installment credit, personal loans must be paid back in regular increments over a set period of time. Many see them as an affordable alternative to credit cards because personal loans often have lower interest rates than credit cards, and consumers can use them to finance nearly every kind of expense. From home renovations to allocation cost and sometimes even paying off student loan debt. But that doesn't mean they are free money. Personal loan ARPS average 11.48% according to the Fed's most recent data. Meanwhile, the average credit card interest rate is around 20.9%. When completing our list of the best personal loans, CNBC select evaluated dozen of lenders. We looked at key factors like interest rates, fees, loan amount, and term length offered, plus other features including how your funds are distributed, auto pay discount, customer service, and how fast you can get your fund. Read more about our methodology below. The best personal loans. Best overall light stream personal loans. Best for debit consolidation, happy money. Best for refinancing high interest debt. You can read now, we read below. The tool is provided by powered by engine by Moneylion. This is about compare offer to fund the best loan. Now we read, scroll down and read. Who is this for? Lightstream, the online lending arm of Trust Bank, offers low interest loans with flexible terms for people with good credit or higher. Lightstream is known for providing loans for nearly every purpose except for higher education and small business. You could get a Lightstream personal loan to buy a new car, remodel the bathroom, consolidate debt, or over medical expenses according to the company's website. You can receive your funds on the same day if you apply on a banking business day. Your application is approved and you electronically sign your loan agreement and verify your direct deposit banking account information. Lightstream offers the lowest APRs of any lender on this list, including a discount. When you sign up for autopay, interest rates vary below on purpose, and you can view all rates on Lightstream website before you apply. This is subject to change as the Fed rates fluctuate. If you select the invoicing option for repayment, your ARP will be 0.50% higher than if you sign up for autopay. The APR is fixed, which means your monthly payment will stay the same for the lifetime of the loan. Terms range from 24 to 144 per month depending on loan purpose. The longest term option among the loans on our best of list. Lightstream does not charge any origination fees, administration fees, or early payoff less. Who is this for? A happy money personal loan is a good choice if you are looking to consolidate your credit card debt and pay it down over time at a lower interest rate. Happy Money's mission is to help consumers get out of credit and card debt once and for all, which is why its loans are geared specifically toward debt consolidation. You can't use a Happy Money loan for home renovation, major purchases, education, etc. Borrowers can take out loan amount between $5,000 and $40,000, and the loan term range from 24 to 60 months. There is a soft inquiry tool on its website which allows you to look at possible loan option based on your credit report without impacting your credit score. Happy Money doesn't charge late payment fees or early payoff penalties if you decide to pay off your debt faster than you initially intended. But there is an origination fee based on your credit score and application. The higher you score, the lower your origination fee and interest rates are likely to be. Unlike some lenders, Happy Money allows you to deposit the money you borrow into your linked bank account or send directly to your creditors. Another perk you get from taking out a Happy Money loan is access to various financial literacy tools, such as free FICO score updates, a team that performs quarterly check ins with you during your first year of working with Happy Money, and tools to help members improve their relationship with money through personality, stress, and cash flow assessments. But who is this for? Sophie got start refinancing student loan, but the company has since expanded to offer personal loan up to $100 depending on credit worthiness. Now you can read and scroll and you can read all the requirements that give in this website. I hope you find it right. Now thanks for giving me your time.